Hi everyone, I've got a VW Golf R here on a 2018 plate, so basically it's a newer one. I've just done the service on this. I'm going to show you how to basically reset the service light. Get in the car, switch the ignition off. Now you can see right there, that's the button I need to press, but before I do anything, I'll just show you what I mean. Now right there it says oil service due. So what I need to do now is switch the ignition off, press and hold the button 0 and switch the ignition on. It's telling me reset oil, let go of the button, press again, service interval reset, press OK, press hold again. That's all gone. Now if I check it on here on the display thing, so I'm into car, go into settings, go down into service. Now you can see oil change service is in 9,400 miles now. That's all you need to do on your car as well. If I wanted to, I'm going to do a basic check over again, just make sure everything else is spot on, and then top up all the necessary fluids, and then I'll reset the inspection light. Same procedure again, press and hold, switch the ignition off, press and hold this button, switch the ignition on, and then you'll have the oil service interval light. You let go of the button, press it again. When it resets, let go of the button, press it again for the inspection, do the same thing, and job done. Thank you very much. Goodbye.